take it.
What is that?
Listen, how are we doing? It's good. ¿Cómo te va en la escuela?
Yay!
¿Cómo te va en la escuela? Michelle, how do you say eggplant in Spanish? ¿Cómo te va en la escuela? Sí. Slice it. You put olive oil, garlic, grill it. Delicioso. Eggplant. It's a big one like that. Patty pie. I throw it in there. I put olive oil, and then I put some garlic, some salt. And then you put it on the noodles, the pasta. Oh. Or you could bread it. Put breading. And then frito. It's like chicken cutlet.